Hello everyone and welcome to PC Tips Pro. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download your Google Photos to your gallery or how to export them to your mobile device. So the first thing that you need to make sure is you have your Google Photos installed and your Google account added to your phone. So now to download any picture, I am just gonna select a random picture. You can select the picture that you would like to download. So just select it, and after that you'll see this 3 vertical dots option. Click on it, and after that you will arrive at this interface where you can see many different options. Here it says download, so click on download and it will say downloading, and just wait for a minute, and it says the download is complete and your photo will now be added to your gallery. Now you can do a bunch of other stuffs here, like move to locked folder. You can also create a slideshow, you can print it, you can do many different things on Google Photos. Now, sadly, I am using an Android device and we do not have an option here to download multiple photos at a time. If you're using an iOS device, you can do that. Just select the pictures that you'd like to download and you'll see a 3 vertical dots option on the upper right corner, and you can select download to download all those pictures. But we do not have that option in the Android phone, so currently I cannot do that, but you can if you have an iOS phone. So this was all about how you download or how you save your Google Photos to your gallery or your device. You can also do that in your laptop device. If you have your Google Photos installed there, you can follow the steps that I just showed you and your photos will be downloaded to your device. Now, this is all for the video, guys. I hope you found this video useful. Now, if you have any queries regarding this video, please make sure to put them in the comments box. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro to be regularly updated with these helpful tech content. Thank you for watching, guys.